Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Health and Beauty with Beena Raghav. Everyone loves beautiful, flowing hair. But what can we do? We don't have it. When this thought comes to mind, it hurts so much. It makes my heart so sad. So, just find out why the sadness is happening. Is it because of you, or have you played a trick on your hair? Sometimes it feels like your hair is doing its own thing. Hair also says that we will live as we wish. So, you know why this happens when we treat our hair unfairly. Many people ignore their hair, especially women. I would say that the main part of our beauty is mostly our hair. Imagine what you would look like if you were bald. How ugly it would look. I don't think anyone would like to have very little hair on their head or no hair at all, especially ladies. So, my dear sisters, today I am going to share a mask with you that will soften your hair from the roots. It will promote hair length and make any frizz disappear as if it never existed. When hair is smooth and silky, it's pleasing to look at, and we don't have to think about what hairstyle we've got before going out. A while ago, my hair was so frizzy that whenever it came to going out, I'd just sit in a corner, thinking, I can't go. Why? Because I wondered who would manage my hair for hours, because it would get tangled and stick to my clothes. So, when this situation arises, more than half the desire to go out disappears. So, we don't have to do that anymore. Today, we're going to make a mask that's just for one use. Yes, just for one use. It will also add volume to your hair. It will eliminate frizz and promote hair growth. I'm sure I'll be very happy when you try it. So, without wasting any time, let's get started and explain what we are going to make in today's hair mask. Today's mask is a type of keratin mask that will keratinize your hair. We probably already had keratin done at the market and know how much it costs. So, let's be straightforward. Anyone with a lot of money who wants to splurge can go to a parlor. If someone wants to go with natural ingredients, they want to save money and still get the smoothness in their hair that we get temporarily at a parlor, you'll get it permanently at home. That's my guarantee. So, what do you have to do? Quickly take notes or save the video so that when you later remember that Beena told you about it, but we didn't watch the video carefully. That's why I am saying either save it or watch it carefully now. You can do whatever you want. So first of all, friends, what do we need? First, let me tell you one more thing. If you're new to the channel, friends, if you reached this far, then listen carefully. It's very important to watch the video carefully. Skipping a video can make you lose sight of the main points. And we make videos with great effort. We want you to understand deeply what we are about to tell you. So, subscribe to this channel right now. Like the video because you'll always get useful knowledge here. You'll never be treated with any garbage. So my YouTube family, I'd like to request those who are new to this channel to subscribe and find out what magic is going to happen today. If you want to know more about this magic, scroll through the channel. Visit the channel. You'll find even more magic there. Many people have benefited from my remedies. So, for today's remedy, you need a bowl. In the bowl, you need 1 teaspoon of rosemary leaves. Dried rosemary leaves. Then you'll add 1 teaspoon of cloves. Then you'll add black sesame seeds. And then you'll add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. You'll have to lightly roast these 4 ingredients. And you'll have to grind them. That is, put a little of them in a grinder and grind them lightly. When it becomes a little powder form, or you can grind it coarsely, it doesn't matter. Then you need to add sea butter. You can find it online. It's easily available. It's not a rare item or rocket science that requires you to think too hard about where to find it. You can find it on Amazon. I'll provide links to all of these ingredients in the description. You can purchase them from there. You need to take the sea butter and add it. After adding it, add half a bowl of olive oil and half a bowl of coconut oil. After mixing all these ingredients together, you need to melt them all using a double boiler. So, you probably know the meaning of a double boiler. You need to take a pan or a wok. Fill it with some water and place a stand inside. On top of the stand, place the bowl in which you preparing the remedy. When you boil it using the double boiler, you'll see that all of your remedy will start to melt. It will start to melt slowly. At the same time, all the nutrients from the dried leaves we added will begin to transfer into it. You'll also see their color change slightly. When you feel we melted well and everything has infused with each other, what do you need to do? Turn off the heat and immediately strain your remedy. Use either a sieve or a cotton cloth. Filter it through this. You just need to strain it so that none of the ingredients from the dried leaves we added remain. You only need the water, the liquid we prepared. Strain it thoroughly. Now, transfer it to a separate glass container and place it in the refrigerator. We'll keep it there so it solidifies. It will take approximately half an hour to solidify. Within half an hour, it will be exactly like Vaseline cream. It will be exactly like that. And when it's thick, take it out. You need a blender. You'll use it to blend it. You'll beat it, blend it, and blend it until it's creamy. For example, when we make ghee at home, or cream, you've probably noticed how fluffy it becomes when we blend it in a blender. It's incredibly fluffy, isn't it? You need to bring it to that consistency. When it's completely fluffy, you'll feel it's completely soft. It's soft to the touch. Stop right away. Transfer it to a bowl, or you'll do it in a bowl. You'll do it in a bowl because it won't melt properly in a container. So, you'll need to blend it in a bowl with a wide opening. Your blend is done. You feel it's soft. Now, before you wash your hair, how do you apply this mask, layer by layer, to your hair in thin layers? First, you need to wash your hair. Once your hair is washed, shampoo it thoroughly. Wash it. After washing, your hair should be slightly damp, not completely dry. When it's slightly damp, apply it to your hair, one layer at a time, in this manner. I'm showing you on the side how to apply it. You need to apply it exactly like this. Apply it to each strand at a time. It will take some time. If you spend money at a salon, you can still spend time here. Slowly apply it to your hair in this manner. Keep applying it. It will probably take at least 10 minutes. The length of application depends on your hair. Or you can ask a family member to help you. Once your hair is thoroughly coated, wrap the mask around your hair and apply it to your hair. If you don't want to wear a cap, skip the shower cap. If you can manage your hair like this, you can leave it on. You'll need to keep it on for approximately 1 to 1.5 hours. The processing time is a bit long, as it's going to be a long process. You'll get 100% results. After an hour or an hour and a half, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. If you don't want to use a mild shampoo, you can wash it off like this. Skip the shampoo because you already shampooed your hair, right? Believe me, when you wash your hair and touch it, I guarantee you won't need to apply any conditioner at all. After washing, your hair will be so smooth and silky at the touch. You'll feel like you've done something special with your hair. Friends, these little things do wonders. Believe me, they increase the lifespan of your hair. They also save you a lot of money. So, I would urge you to always go for natural products that give you 100% results without causing any harm. Do you know why people don't want to go for natural products? Because they think it takes a lot of time. But believe me, it does take time. But yes, when it works, it lasts a lifetime. So, that's the wise thing to do. Instead of wasting money, turn to these natural remedies that benefit you without any hassle and don't require you to go out. So friends, I hope you'll definitely try this. After trying it, please let me know in the comments section what results you got. I'll be waiting. Don't forget to tell me where you're watching the video. I'll see you again in the next video with a new remedy. And yes, have you subscribed to the channel? If you haven't, do so quickly. You'll always find such informative information here. And I hope I'll definitely try it. And please let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see in the next video. I'll see you again in the next video with a new remedy. Until then, bye. Thanks for